All right, time to switch things up and talk some weather with First Warn meteorologist Eric Dean.
All right, Ken, we talked about the fire weather watch that goes into effect tomorrow. Now we're going to talk about the flood warnings that's in effect for parts of the Coulier region. Good evening, everybody. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the flood warnings, starting with the Chippewa River at the Durand area. This goes into effect until further notice. It's sitting at 13.18 feet, which is above flood stage. It's projected to crest at 15.4 feet. Over towards the Castle Rock Dam area, this is the Wisconsin River. Again, this goes until further notice. This is expected to rise above flood stage Wednesday evening and expected to crest Tuesday, April 18th. So we're going to keep an eye on this over the next several days. And then we have the Mississippi River at Wabasha again until further notice as how long this goes into effect till. The current stage is 10.26 feet, so it's just shy of flood stage, but it is projected to crest at 14.4 feet. Now, in terms of the Mississippi River at La Crosse, we're sitting at 9 feet. We're going to go to 9.9 feet by Thursday. By Saturday, we'll go to 11.2 feet. Then we're projected to go to 13.10 feet by Tuesday, April 18th. But the radar scan right now shows a clean sweep across the area, and this is going to get a break as we go into the next few days. We'll see clear skies as we go into your evening and overnight hours. We'll see that southwesterly flow for your Wednesday. By 11 o'clock, we'll see temperatures in the 60s and 70s, and then 70s and 80s by the 2 o'clock hour. And that trend will continue throughout the late afternoon and early evening hours. Look at the sunset here in La Crosse, and look at that temperature, 81 degrees out there. Feels like 79. Winds are out of the southwest at 17 miles per hour. And as mentioned, we're at 9 feet at the Mississippi River. Eau Claire, good evening to you guys. You're at 78 degrees. It feels like 78 out there. Winds are out of the south-southwest at 15 miles per hour. We're seeing a little bit of a wind gust as high as 23 miles per hour. And enjoy those 70s and 80s because we will cool off again as we go into the weekend. We'll see temperatures going from the 70s and 80s to how about highs back into the upper 40s, low 50s, and we will keep that rain chance in the forecast. So the First Warn forecast for tonight will go to 58 degrees with mostly clear skies. A nice spring evening. Winds will be out of the south at around 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting as high as 25 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we'll start the day off with temperatures in the 60s by the 8 o'clock hour. We'll go to 70 by 10 a.m., and that's kind of a precursor as to where we'll be throughout the afternoon hours with highs going back into the mid-80s. We'll go to 84 by the 4 o'clock hour, 83 by 6. And then by the 8 o'clock hour, we'll see clear skies. The temperature is right around 76 degrees. You see that southwesterly wind staying in play between 15 to 20 miles per hour. Allergy forecast. Here we go. For tomorrow, poplar and juniper will be on the medium end. Trees will be on the high end. And this was mentioned in the email today. Today's air sample is more than twice the pollen of last week's air sample. The next 8 days, as I mentioned, we'll go back into the 80s tomorrow and Thursday, 70s for Friday, 60s for Saturday, upper 40s to low 50s again for Sunday, and then 50s and 60s as we go into Monday through Wednesday. Keep in mind, our average high for this time of year is 57 degrees. So we go from one end of the spectrum to the other.
Yeah, so definitely enjoy the next couple of days for sure.
Yes.
All right, Eric Dean, thanks very much.
You bet.